Hello, everyone. This is Mike Hayes, formerly the Network King. But now I'm announcing that I am now the commissioner of Major League Networking.
This ball is crushed.
So let me tell you the Major League Networking story about how we're doing it in wealthy cities and why this is now vitally important to every small business networker. First of all, we're focusing on the top 50 wealthiest cities and we're creating an SEO network. So those who wish to take their game up to the next level can now network like a pro. I call these wealthiest cities the Major League Networking Markets. Why is networking with these cities vitally important? Let's take a look. Thanks to online virtual business networking, we are no longer limited to the affluence that's right around us. We can reach out to affluence wherever we find it and bring it into our networking meetings. That means affluent in, affluent out. Now, let me explain how you can benefit and become involved with us. One, think of our logo as being like a major league networking venue. Like this is a stadium. And this online stadium is packed with people from the top 50 most affluent cities. Well, to get into a stadium or a venue, you have to cross through a turnstile. And this is a key. What is a virtual turnstile in Major League Networking? And how can this become your turnstile to affluence? Our virtual turnstiles, where I can do search engine affluence optimization on Eventbrite, on Zoom, on LinkedIn, on Facebook, on Blitzer, and more. And the great news, folks, I'm going to show you how now you can own your own venue and your own major league networking team. Imagine that you are a team owner of affluent people in your networking groups who are invited to enter through your turnstile from various wealthy cities and using Eventbrite or other platforms as your turnstile. So now let me tell you about our pricing and the SEO network effect. In technology, the network effect is long been known as a phenomenon whereby increased numbers of people or participants improve the value of a good or service. And the SEO network effect is what is going to rule the pricing of major league networking. But just like our big networking events, they fill up until they're sold out very quickly. So will our pricing. In the second 10 cities, the price will be raised according to the network effect. Thanks for joining me. 2021 has exciting possibilities for those who can visualize major league networking. Thank you.
This ball is crushed.